Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Mac OS and available disk space meet basic needs. Updates can fail if storage is low. Next, open Chrome, use the Dock or Applications folder so you're in the running app. Once Chrome is open, go to the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Help, then About Google Chrome. This step starts the update check. Chrome will automatically look for the latest build so you don't have to hunt for installers. Once Chrome finds an update, it downloads in the background. Let it finish rather than quitting mid-transfer. When the About page shows the update is ready, click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen to apply changes. After relaunch, return to About to confirm the version number and that security patches are listed. Doing this verifies the update installed cleanly and that your browser benefits from the latest fixes and performance improvements. To finish, test Chrome features and extensions. Make sure your profiles and bookmarks are intact. If the update fails to apply, restart your Mac first. That often clears locked files. If problems persist, disable antivirus or network proxies temporarily, then try again. Should you reach reinstalling Chrome, backup bookmarks and sync settings beforehand so you don't lose data. One key troubleshooting tip. Creating a fresh user profile can reveal whether the issue is profile-specific or system-wide, so try that before major reinstalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.